Job costing with BILLMASTER. BILLMASTER allows you to track and estimate the time it takes to complete any of the services you provide to your customers. Let's begin by the setup for it. Go to company/setup, press General Setup, and then check the box here that says Enable Job Costing, and press OK. Then, underneath your job descriptions, go to Descriptions, Modify Job Descriptions. You can enter in the default value under the Cost column. To expose the Cost column in your configuration grid, just simply uncheck this box that's hiding it here. So leave it unchecked. And then you'll see this Cost column. Then enter in the default value in terms of hours, how long it will take to complete this task. So cut edge trim I set to 1/2 hour as a default value and put 0.5 in and press save. Then when you're tracking your time, it will default for that for all customers. If you want to override it, simply go into the standard charges for the customer. For that job code, you'll see a column here that says estimated hours. I changed this to 0.75 or 3/4 of an hour for this task for this customer. Then, when you're ready to enter in the actual job cost records, or simply select your customers on the right hand side. I'll just pick one for now, and then go to where it says Transaction Payments. Click on the button that says Job Costing Records. It will add a new row for the people that you've selected, as you can see here. Simply just type in what the service is, the technician that was doing it, the date and time. Started at 3 o'clock and he was finished at 3:40. And that's it. Just hit enter. And then when you're done, just hit save. When you're ready for a report, you can select all customers, go to the reports section, then enter, select on other, go down to job costing report, enter the time period that you wish to report on, and then just press OK. It will list out all the jobs during that period. You'll see here that the estimated hours are shown, the rate for those technicians are shown, the difference, and then the actual difference here. So when you have a positive value, that means you're good and you've estimated correctly. If the number is negative, that means it's taken you more time than you've estimated for the service to be provided, and hence the negative value. And then you can see this on a technician basis. On the bottom here, it summarizes each of your work categories to show whether you're leading or losing with those values. To set up the technician's information, go to Company Setup, then Worker Technician. You'll see a column here for rate. So just put in their hourly rate here to allow for the estimate to be calculated. Again, that was under Company/Setup and then Worker Technicians, and this is the rate column. Thank you for using BILLMASTER software.